In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a language switcher in Elementor to support multiple languages on your website. This feature ensures that your visitors can easily select their preferred language, improving their browsing experience significantly. Before we dive into the process, the first thing you'll need is a multilingual plugin that integrates seamlessly with Elementor. Some popular choices include WPML or Polylang. These tools are designed to not only enable translations for your site, but also allow you to create a language switcher that your visitors can use. Once you've installed your chosen plugin, the next step is configuration. Begin by selecting your website's default language. This will typically be the language that your site currently uses. Then add the additional languages that you wish to offer to your visitors. Make sure to choose all the languages you want your site to be available in for complete multilingual support. Next, open the specific page you wish to edit using Elementor. Elementor's user-friendly interface makes this part a breeze. From the widget panel on the left side, drag in the language switcher widget provided by the plugin you selected earlier. Consider placing this widget in a prominent area like your header or footer, or any area that remains visible across different pages. The visibility of the switcher is crucial as it ensures visitors can easily toggle between languages no matter where they are on your site. Customization is key when it comes to integrating the switcher into your site's aesthetic. Within Elementor, you can modify the switcher's appearance to harmonize with your website's design. You can choose between different formats such as flags, text, or a drop-down menu. Adjust the style to match your branding and always make use of the preview option to see how these tweaks look in real time. Remember, a well-integrated switcher enhances user experience and keeps your site looking professional. After you've made these adjustments, it's time to save your progress and test the changes. Navigate through the various language options using the switcher to make sure that each translated version loads accurately. This step is essential as it ensures everything works smoothly for your visitors. By following these steps, you've successfully added a functional language switcher to your Elementor site. With this in place, visitors can now browse through your content in their preferred language, making your website more accessible to a global audience. It's important to keep your translations up to date to continue providing the best experience possible for your international visitors. You're now equipped to reach a broader audience and provide a tailored browsing experience for all your site's users.